Alright, what's up? This is a bike check. So basically, I was at a school over there trying to do a bike check because it was nice and sunny and thought it'd be fun, and I need a video for YouTube, but some teacher kicked me out because I can't be recording video on school grounds without permission. So I had to leave. I'm in some woods now with a bench. Yeah, we're doing a bike check. At the top we got merit cross checks, best grips ever, but they wear out in about 4 good days of riding. So you're gonna need to stock up. You pretty much have to be sponsored by Merit if you're gonna run these grips. No bar ends, because 3 reasons. 3. Make your bars wider. Add like a good 4 pounds to your bike, and they throw you off balance. Don't run bar ends, kids. Merit stem, because it's cool, and Merit's the best company in the world. Oh, bars. Giraffic bars, BSD. Gotta rep Reed Stark, since he's from Minnesota. I know Reed pretty well. I touched his grip once, and I talked to him for about 3 minutes, maybe. Probably not even that long. Odyssey forks, they help for nose manual stuff, even though I can still only nose manual a goddamn fucking sidewalk square. But, you know, 3 Primo plastic binary something something pegs. They honestly suck, but we're making it work. And then 1 demolition peg. Front wheel Primo N4 FL in chrome, or polished, whatever it's called. Laced to a Stranger rim. I love that wheel. The new Merit Young Boy tires with the slide walls, so you slide good on grindage. Fiend Moro V1 frame, signature colorway, my signature colorway. It's raw, black, green, and rust all in one. So, better cop it. Odyssey pedals, because that's all my bike shop has. Eclat, Onyx cranks, 24 mil. They're good for crank arms, but I still can't crank arms. So there's that. Premium sprocket, not gonna say a damn word about this pile of shit. Shadow chain, black, Fit BD, 24 mil. The new Merit seat, the like black leather one that just came out like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, whatever. It's not comfy at all, but it looks cool, so I like it. A seat post, not sure. Back hub is a polished free mix to match the front. Works great for backward stuff, but I can't even fakie on it. I still correction hop every 14.5 milliseconds. I laced to a Sunday rim because I'm a cheap ass and can't afford G-Sports. With all the stock hub guards that came with the hubs. No valve caps. Satan nipple, or I don't even know what they're called. They're called like Satan or something. Spokes and nipples. They're on Dance Comp, they start with an S. You can find out if you really care, but no one should fucking care about spokes. No grease, because I don't grease my bike and it works like a champ. So,